welcome to California. Today, me and London and my dad will open our stockings. Please watch us.
London, look, London. London. Ready, babe? This is Dawson's. Okay, you can open up yours, but open it up right here so you can see.
That's yours, babe.
Okay. You're supposed to dump your stocking. You're supposed to dump it. London!
Oh, London!
London, what did you get?
That's London's pile.
Whoa, London!
Oh my god. Whoa!
Oh my gosh!
Whoa!
What is that? Oh, some
Dawson?
stickers. No, that's London.
Just can't answer here. Get a cavity.
A gold chocolate coin.
Open yours, babe. Dawson, open this right here.
Oh, okay, nice. Starting out strong. I'm actually gonna break this this morning. Okay. Oh, thank you, babe.
God!
Ooh.
Mom!
What is it?
It's a mountain.
Whoa! Okay, now open up yours.
Reese's is my favorite. You got me with that one.
Whoa, Mom!
Dubai chocolate. What?
What?
Reese's.
You know what that is?
I got a gold coin too, Dawson.
You all got gold coins.
A Santa gold coin.
Me too.
London, look. Look, your little characters of Sesame
Reese's
Street.
cookies.
Mom,
I'm excited to try this. Dubai chocolate. Let me try it last night. It was really good.
I'm excited to try it with you.
Mom.
You know what this is?
The other way, the other way, the other way.
It's a harmonica.
Let's see what London got.
London, what did you get?
You got Elmo. Should we open Elmo?
You got...
You want more chocolate? Okay. Let's have more chocolate.